Hello everyone, welcome to my podcast channel Speak English with ELA. Dear listeners, in today's session I am going to discuss with you about the attitude development. What is the attitude development? What is an attitude? Do you have the right attitude? Are you thinking that you should have to develop your attitude? If yes, then definitely you can develop your attitude. And some of you are not agree with me that you don't require to develop your attitude. Then also I think you should have to develop your attitude, because overconfidence is, it doesn't mean that means you are knowledgeable person. Overconfidence, it doesn't mean that you should have the right attitude. It means that you have the negative attitude, and that you should have to remove. So basically, what is the attitude? In my point of view, attitude, it means that you should have your own opinion. What is the right, what is the wrong, that all things we should have to take a call by ourselves only. We should have to decide that one thing is right or wrong. Though the people are telling you that yes, this is wrong things, but if your instinct guts are telling you that yes, this is the right thing, whatever I'm doing, then definitely you should follow that thing, because from your gut feelings you are getting a call that yes, whatever I'm doing, that is the right thing, and be stick on that. This type of attitude you should have to develop. Whenever you are developing your this type of attitude, then you can improve your self confidence also. You can take the decision making also. See, I'm always believing that we cannot take the right decision or wrong decision. We have to take the decisions and make them right. I do believe on this statement. Always we have to take the decisions and prove them that those decisions are right. And that if you can have this kind of potential, you can have this kind of ability, then we can say that yes, you have the good attitude. Attitude doesn't mean the arrogance. Attitude doesn't mean the negative attitude. Attitude doesn't mean that you should have to improve your ego. No, these all things are the negative aspects of the attitude. But the positive attitude means you should have to be polite and explaining your point of view in a humble or in a polite manner with the people. You see, your attitude is just like the price tag. How valuable you are, that can be just seen by this price tag. So what you want to do, you have to take the efforts to improve your attitude, to develop your attitude, to just show to the people that how much expensive person you are, how much prestigious person you are. So how you can develop the attitude? The attitude can be developed by just avoiding the, first of all, just avoiding the negative attitude, negative approach towards the people. Second thing, you should have to see everything in a positive manner. Third thing, you should have to take the decisions, whatever it may be. If the decisions are right, then you will feel proud on yourself. If the decision will be wrong, then you can get the lessons, you can learn so many things. So that's why take the responsibility by yourself and just take the decision. Then you should have to focus on your emotional stability also. Then also you can develop your attitude, that how you can stable by emotionally. There are so many up and downs are there in our life. Not a single person's life is going very easily or very like comfortably. So everyone has the fight against so many things. Everyone has to face the struggles and problems, difficulties in their lives. There are so many hurdles we have to face in our life, but still you should have to maintain your emotional stability. Then receive the feedback also. There are so many people around us who are sometimes they are showing the negative feedback. They are telling you that you are not a good person, you are a bad person, you are wrong in that things, you are taking the wrong decision in that case. So all these kind of negative feedback you are receiving, you are getting from the people, because there are so many negative attitude people are roaming around us. But you should have to calm and quiet, and you should not be disturb your mindset or your peace of mind by just behavior of others. And whenever you are just focusing all those aspects, all these things, and you are improving your mind accordingly, then we can say that your mind is developed in a proper manner. Then you can get the attitude. And this attitude, what the people are thinking about you, what the people are telling you, what they are giving suggestions to you, it doesn't matter. All these things are not matter a lot in your life. Whenever you are stick in your decision and you are, according to you, this is right, then right, and this is wrong means wrong. When you are just doing these kind of approach towards life, then your attitude can develop 100%. You have to stick, you have to take the decision and stick to it. This is the attitude. Whenever the problems and difficulties are coming in your ways, you are not shaking somewhere, you are always just being a strong, and you are fighting as a fighter in your life. That is the attitude. And that positive attitude can leads you towards the success. If you want to be a successful person in your life, you should have to develop your attitude in a right way, in a positive way. So I hope you like this